Hello everyone. Today topic is what is discard in C# and how to use discard with tuples in C#. First of all, we will discuss about discard in C#. Discard indicates that our code or our business logic never uses the variable. It just enhances our code. Uh, it will it will declare by using the underscore instead of declaring the reference variable. So first of all, we will create a employee class here, just like this. mm, Public X modifier. This is a int type of that method. Get number. Okay. Int number equal to default. Int number to 10. Int sum number 1. This is number 2. Okay. Suppose that we will assign this underscore, and this is the discard. As it is when I mouse over to the discard, this is underscore. It indicates the return type of this underscore is the int. The name implies that this is the discard. Okay. And discard indicates that our code or logic never uses the variable, as it implies it will enhance our code. It will enhance our code readability, maintainability of our code. So first of all, suppose that we have to we have another question: how to use discard with tuples? As we all know that tuples is used to return multiple values from a single method. So this is the integer value. First of all, we have to return some multiple value here like this. Okay. First of all, declare one reference variable, sum. Another one is multiply. This is default. Okay. First of all, assigning this sum to this. Copy this line. Paste. Suppose that we have to return both multiply and sum, so we can use tuple. This is tuple. Using this, we have returning multiple value from this get number method. How it is to be achieved? Return sum comma multiply. Okay. Now we have to create an instance of the non-static class in from our caller. Now we have to access that get number function or a method. Okay. Where okay, what is this? This is the discard keyword. How to use it? Suppose that we have a scenario. uh, First of all, we have a lot of scenario to return a lot of values from a single method, but sometimes we need only one value or a one indication, one sum, or somewhere is multiplied not used is only the sum we need sum. So so what we can do, simple, we have to assign the sum and discard another multiple value. Okay, and assigning this sum to here, and to hold our console window we have to call the readline method like this. Now we have to run. Go to the implementation by using the control F12, by pressing the function key F9. We have to place an debugger point. First of all, we have to run our code. Okay, our debug point is hit on the line number 10. By moving the next debug control, we have to pressing the function F5. Now clicking the F10, F11. Okay, let me check the sum is 10. Okay, and multiply is 0. I think 0, because the default value of the number 1 is 0. Okay, this is the result. This is our answer. This is the 10. Okay, now we have to hit and multiply also. F5. The answer is 15 and 50, because the sum is 15 and multiplication of that number, both number are the 50. 15 and 50. Uh, our main motive to learn the discard keyword with tuples and what is discard. And in simple words, discard indicates that our code is never uses the variable, as it implies that our code is never uses the variables. This is just only a discard keyword, but it will achieve by using the underscore in our code. It never use any memory. It's just that a variable is a discard. By assigning it the underscore, it will enhance our code readability and maintainability. And we have also learned how to use discard with tuples. I think you all know about the main scenario behind the discard with tuples and discard in C#. What is the main use of discard in C#? Thank you everyone. Uh, Please like and share my videos, and share to the valuable persons or valuable your colleagues, so I can make some videos on C# related to the tuples or records. My next video is related to the records in C# and how to use initialization, object initialization in record in C#. Thank you everyone.